Today we talk about in math the least common multiple. Rather than writing out those three relatively long, exciting words, we abbreviate it with LCM. So if you see it ask for the LCM, it's asking you for the least common multiple. Now, how do we find the least common multiple of things? Somebody out there?
How do we find all these common multiples?
That's a great question. Number one, you don't want to list all the multiples, but you want to list a bunch of multiples. Number two, find the smallest they have in common. Pretty simple, is it not? This sounds a lot harder than it is. For example, here's your example. Find the LCM, find the least common multiple of, what do they give us first? How about 3 and 4? Now, let's make sure you have something straight here. This is different than greatest common factor. Have we done GCF?
Yeah.
Yes. Factors and multiples are different. Factors are what number multiplied gives you these. Multiples are counting by. So multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, blah, 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 blah. Multiples of 4 would be 4, 8, 12, and really I can stop there. Why? Because I'm looking for the smallest one they have in common. I've already found it because what do they have in common here? 12. Which 12? Now, you might say, well, isn't that the same thing as those two numbers multiplied together?
Yes. Isn't that the same thing as these two numbers multiplied together?
Not always. For example, if I asked you the LCM of 6 and 8, if you told me 48, you would be incorrect. 48 is a common multiple, but it's not the smallest one they have in common. What is the smallest one they have in common? Well, if I did this 6, 12, 18, 24, and I did 8, which is 8, 16, 24, what do they have in common? 24. The least common multiple is 24, not 48. So don't always think that you're just going to multiply the other. Sometimes it works that way, sometimes it doesn't. Let's just do a couple more here. What's the least common multiple of, I don't know, 7 and 8? And you really, I mean, I guess you don't really. You should be getting to a point where that should be pretty simple there. Madison, what's the least common multiple of 7 and 8? 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56. 8 is 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56. Smallest thing they have in common is? 56.
56.
Some of them aren't even. Hey, let me give you a really tricky one. What's the least common multiple of 2, 3, and 4? Bam, you should know it by now. Come on, hurry up. Somebody tell me what's going on. Chase, what is it? Oh boy. I'm gonna have to go back to my factors. 1 is not a multiple of any of those numbers, it's factors of those. We are not doing factors, we are doing multiples, Cassandra. 12. 12. If you did all these, the first number you'd come that they have in common would be 12. Now, you want a common, here would be a world, here is a least common multiple story problem for you. If, not that you'll ever see this, if Caleb gets his haircut every 2 days, and Sittler gets her haircut every 3 days, and Zach gets his haircut every 4 days, on which day will they all be getting their haircut? On what numbered day would they all 3 be getting their haircut? And the answer to that is this 12th day, because it is the least common multiple. How would we show that? So you got day what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Caleb gets his haircut every 2 days, right? So Caleb's getting his haircut on day number 2, day number 4, day number 6, day number 8, day number 10, day number 12. Madison gets her haircut on every 3rd day, right? So Madison gets her haircut, Madison gets her haircut, Madison gets her haircut, Madison gets her haircut, correct? Who's my 3rd person? Zach. Zach gets his haircut every, what did I say, 4th day? So Zach gets his haircut here, Zach gets his haircut here, and Zach gets his haircut here. All 3 of them on the 12th day will be getting their haircut because that's the only time it matches up. How about that, huh? How about practical application? Another blank piece of paper. This one you better take notes on and take notes on good.